In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos and images to Google Docs. If you've ever struggled with how to incorporate visuals into your documents, you've come to the right place. By the end of this step-by-step walkthrough, you'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly add images to enhance your documents, making them more engaging and visually appealing. To get started, you'll want to first open Google Docs. If you already have a document in mind, go ahead and open that one. Otherwise, you can create a new document by clicking on the blank page icon. Once you're in your document, it's time to add that photo or image. Look towards the upper menu bar and find the word Insert. This is your gateway to adding different elements to your Google Doc. So go ahead and click on Insert. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Image. The image option is versatile, allowing you to add photos from various sources. For this tutorial, we'll focus on uploading an image directly from your computer. After selecting Image, choose Upload from Computer. You will be prompted with a file picker window where you can search your face. Navigate through your folders and find the image you want to add. When you have it, click it and then hit Open. Once the image is uploaded, it will automatically appear in your document, but you're not done yet. Adjusting the image size is crucial to ensure that it fits well with your document's content and layout. To resize the image, simply click on it and blue squares or handles will appear around the edges. By clicking and dragging these handles, you can adjust the image to your desired size. For proportional resizing, hold down the Shift key while you drag to keep the aspect ratio intact. This ensures your image doesn't look stretched or squished. Remember, you can also move the image around to reposition it within your document. To do this, click and drag the image to the desired location. Google Docs allows you to fine-tune the text wrapping and position of your images, so don't hesitate to experiment with the options found in the toolbar to align everything perfectly. And that's it! You've successfully added and adjusted an image in your Google Doc. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating more dynamic and visually appealing documents. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy document creating.